What's up again, everybody? All right, this is an extension of the first video to make up for my full $50 spent for the day. Spent $34 in the first video, had to run out, was near a thrift store, and thought, I still got $16 burning a hole in my pocket to make my $5,000, so I need to go see if I can find something, you know? You know what I'm saying, G? What's up? So I went there, found a few things, and so I got more things to put in my store tonight. That skateboard's gonna go up later for auction. Let's wait until nighttime. It's when California people get home from the rush hour. So everybody, when it ends, I've got more eyes on it. So I went to the same chain of thrift stores, just a different location. T-shirts are $1 there. So I got this older 3/4 length sleeve Reebok jersey. Just a nice nice look to it, nice clean look. I also got this Dirks Bentley t-shirt, tour shirt from 2004. I could not find this particular one online, so put it up probably for $20, $25. See what it does. Best offer, of course. Got this nice vintage look here. A thing that all the kids are into now. It's funny when I see kids wearing stuff I wore when I was a kid. It's just crazy. So I got this vintage look here. 1994 U.S. Olympic Festival. Of course, this is more 90s than the 80s, but all that stuff is hot right now. And did not see this particular one online, this design. So we'll put that in the store, $20 to $25. See what it does. Make all the young kids happy. I love me some vintage sweatshirts. Lee Sports. Perfect. Fall's coming. Football season just started. And I do pretty well with sweatshirts. I love sweatshirts. Up next, we got a woman's New Balance shoe. A nice purple and the green. I love this colorway, actually. So, I didn't even look these up. Shoes at this location, the same as the other one, $4 a piece. How'd the fly get in here? I got that damn net at the door. Should not be in here. $4 a piece. I would think probably $25-ish. We'll see. And last but not least, taking me up to $15 sold, I believe. 4, 8, 11, 12, 13, 14, $15 sold. So I still got $1 left. I only spent $49. And these are always a good win when you find them. And they're cyclist shoes. So pretty spiffy. Sold one, not too long ago, maybe a year ago or so, I don't remember. These should go for about 50 bucks. So I paid $4 for them, so there you are. So there it is. There's the remainder of my $50. And we're gonna get this started. These things are gonna go up tonight. Some of the stuff's already up. So thank you for watching, sharing, liking, finding me on Facebook and stuff. Links are below and above, or wherever you're watching this from is, yeah, you know. When I do the next video, I'm going to try to get like a board or something for the back. Keep a running total, how much spent, how much made, blah, blah, blah. I would do it on the screen, but I don't want to get aggravated making these videos. I want to keep them simple as possible. Hit record, hit stop, hit upload. Boom, done. I don't want to have to edit. I don't want to have to do any of that crap because it will get old real quick and I'll just stop doing it. So I'm trying to make videos that I want to keep doing. So I'm just going to keep it simple and analog because you know what? I got stuff to do. I got stuff to sell. I got stuff to list. I got money to make. I don't be having time to edit no video. You know what I'm saying, G? What's up? Later.